Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken to trade full guide. Sign up, complete verification, and enable 2FA right away to secure your account. Then fund your Kraken wallet using bank transfer or crypto deposit, choose your market, and select a simple buy or sell order to practice. Start with small amounts, review fees, and monitor your open orders to learn platform behavior and build confidence. When placing orders on Kraken, pick the order type that matches your strategy and set precise price and quantity values to avoid surprises. Use limit orders for control and market orders for speed. Always preview and confirm fee estimates, required margin if using leverage, and whether the order is post-only or immediate. Practice in small amounts, cancel or adjust orders when needed, and watch fills to understand execution patterns while managing risk. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more Kraken tutorials. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy desks effortless while you trade, and it pairs well with focus sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick the best option for your setup, and now let's get back to the video. Good risk management on Kraken starts with setting stop loss and take profit orders to protect capital and lock gains. Size positions so any single trade risks a small percentage of your funds. Monitor margin levels if you use leverage and understand liquidation thresholds to avoid forced exits. Diversify across pairs, keep an eye on order history, and regularly review fees and tax documents to stay organized and maintain long-term discipline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.